Let's make delicious and easy fish masala, that too Kerala style. Let's begin the preparation for the marinade with salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste along with some oil, and let's give it a good mix. I'm using kingfish, which is also known as surmai, anjal and even neemin. Do let me know in the comment section what it is called in your language. Apply the marinade on the fish on both the sides and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's shallow fry the fish on both the sides. We have to make sure that we fry it only until it is 70% done. Once fish is fried, remove it from the pan. In the same pan, heat some oil and add 1 finely chopped onion along with 2 green chilies finely chopped, and cook it until it turns golden brown. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now let's add finely chopped tomatoes. I have used 1.5 portion of tomato along with some curry leaves, which will give a good flavor to it. Once the tomatoes turns mushy, let's add the spice mix. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix it well and cook until the raw smell of the masala disappears. Add in half cup of water and wait until the gravy thickens. Now add 1 cup of coconut milk and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add in the fried fish and cook with covered lid for 5 minutes. Our Kerala style fish masala is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.